How to catfish someone on Snapchat. So if you want to catfish someone on Snapchat, then first open up your Snapchat application. Once you've opened your Snapchat, now you can simply go for your memories, or you can simply choose any picture or any photo. So for example, if I choose this one, you can simply go for the edit icon, and once you're here under the edit, you can go for the crop or the scissors icon, which is on the upper right side. Tap on the scissors icon, and then you need to simply choose the image or crop the image which you would like to catfish. So for example, I've chosen this one, and once you've chosen, now you need to simply tap on done, which is on the upper right. And once you've done, here you will have your sticker, right? So now what you can do is simply remove this and then tap on save changes. And once you've saved, now go back and then take a snap, for example a blank snap. And once you've taken the snap, once you've taken the snap, you can go for the stickers icon, which is on the upper side of the scissors, and then you can go for scissors, which is here on the upper right side. Tap on the scissors, and here you will have your sticker that you have just created, right? So you can simply choose that, and then you can enlarge this one, and that's it. You can simply send that. So that's how you can catfish someone on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.